Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add story on Instagram highlight. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram stories are a powerful tool to help you reach more customers, build relationship, and make more money on Instagram. The only downside, they disappear after 24 hours. The time and effort you've put into creating your goes down the drain. And but don't worry, in this video I will show you how to add your story to highlight on Instagram. So your story will be appear 24 hours, more than 24 hours on your feed, on your profile. So how to do it? So simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now maybe you just create story on your on your Instagram, and I want to add it to your highlight. It's so simple. You can open your highlight like this. Wait, I will reopen my Instagram. You can open your story, and you can see there is an option highlight on the bottom of your screen on story. You can just tap on that. You can add to your recent highlight, or maybe you can create the new one. I will add to my highlight like this. If you want to add another story to your highlight, you can just tap on highlight, choose on the highlight, and now the stories will be appear on your highlight on Instagram. So simple, right? So that is how to add stories to your highlight on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!